Hello and welcome to our strategy video for today. We are going to be talking about picture rule cards. Picture rule cards are something that you can use at home or at school with your child. It can help with compliant behavior and it can help with um, following directions, which is a skill that we need to work on with preschool students. The first thing that we need to talk about with rule cards is that we want it to be very visual, and we want to word the rules with what we want children to be doing in our classrooms. This is something that we really love to see because it's giving kids ideas of what we expect and not telling them what we don't want them to do. So when we say don't run, that makes a kid want to run. So anytime we're giving them a rule on our expectations in the classroom, we want to tell them what we want them to do. So the first example here is give me 5. So a lot of teachers will use this when they come to circle time or classroom meeting time. And so the teacher will say, give me 5. And it's something that you go over and over and over with kids about what the expectation is when they come to the carpet for circle time. So it's ears listening, eyes on me, hands to self, feet are still, mouth is quiet. So that way, every time you review that, it begins to resonate with kids on what the expectations are. They know when they go, they need to sit crisscross applesauce and they need to do the things that are shown. So all of these are just different fun ways that we want to be very visual with them. So we can point at it, point to our eyes. We need looking eyes, eyes on me. We need listening ears. And so they can go through the motions of that when you're reviewing the classroom rules with them. This is something that we'd like to see at home as well. Sometimes parents get into little battles with kids. And so if we list the expectations at home, it can help as well. So keeping our hands to ourselves, sharing our toys with others, even if it's just a one sibling in the home, you can teach them turn taking by playing with them and expecting them to share toys with you and not just letting them have whatever they want. So these are really great ways. Keep it really visual. Lots of pictures of what we want them to do, what we expect them to do, and keep reviewing them over and over. And then when they're having a rough day, we can just point to the picture and say, we need to be kind, and just kind of continue to review those with children. And it will start resonating with them that it's really similar at home and at school. So they're getting those same messages over and over again. And then when they go to school, those things are going to be the same things that those teachers are talking about in kindergarten as well. So just making it very visual and giving them the expectation of what we want, not necessarily what we don't want. We want to leave them with that, we want walking feet. And in here, I need your eyes on me, and giving them those cues of what we expect from them. So I hope this strategy video was helpful to you, and thanks for coming.